This is the problem I'm facing, and this is the problem of Tailwindcss. But you can see that I have installed. As you can see, this is the Express server file. On the backend I am using Express.js, and on the front end side I am using Nextjs. I am using Nextjs as an isomorphic way. As you can see, my front end is stored in the front end folder. The Nextjs. I am using Tailwind for my CSS, but the problem is when I start the server using node index.js, start on port 9009, and when I go to my server and navigate to this link, I am facing a problem. Border is a custom class. Make sure it is defined with clear directives. So this is the problem I am facing, and this is the problem of Tailwindcss. But you can see that I have installed Tailwindcss, but the problem is still happening. To fix this problem, what we have to do is create a Tailwind config file in the root directory. So I will copy this from front end and paste here, and I'm going to change the directory to front end slash, and also under this and this also. So I'm changing the location of my content to the front end directory which hosts the Nextjs. Now if I'm going to run the server, node index.js, and refresh this site, problem is now gone. So to fix the problem, I have created a Tailwind config file in the root server also. It is also present in the front end folder, and it is present in the Tailwind config file also. This way I have been able to solve my problem. If you are having any problem like this, also solve like this.